Welcome back to cooking every single recipe from the official Five Nights at Freddy's cookbook. Today we're making On the Prowl coconut curry. Don't forget to subscribe and vote for a make next in the comments below. You're going to start this recipe off by making the Chica-licious Thai patties. You'll need to cut up 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts into rough chunks. Next, you put all those chunks into a food processor with 1 beaten egg and pulse until mush, but not like smooth. You still want texture. You don't want it to be like total smoothie mush. You just want it to be like mushed up. Now, you want to prep your fresh ingredients for the Thai patties. You'll need to crush 2 garlic cloves, chop finely 5 spring onions or green onions, zest and juice 1 lime, and then add it all into the chicken, along with a tablespoon of soy sauce, a teaspoon of fish sauce, a tablespoon of red Thai curry paste, a tablespoon of cilantro or coriander, chopped, and then mix that all together. Now you add 2 cups of breadcrumbs, doesn't have to be full cups, and mix it together. Now you just turn that chicken mush into balls and set aside while you prep the rest of your curry ingredients. For the veggies, you're going to want to cut in half a cup of green beans. Then you want to grate a thumb-sized piece of ginger. Next, you want to cut up 3 scallions or green onions. I only had 2, but it's fine. There's already a lot of green onions in the chicken mixture anyway. Then, you want to juice 1 lime and seed and slice 1 large green chili. I got small chilies. They were really freaking spicy though. Now, you want to heat some vegetable oil on like medium-high heat and cook the chicken balls until the outside is fully cooked. You don't have to worry about the inside. The inside will be cooked later on. So, once all the chicken balls are done, you're then going to add 1 can of coconut milk, 2 tablespoons of red curry paste, and 2/3 a cup of chicken stock. And just bring that up to a simmer, and then once it's simmering, you add all your vegetables, including 1/3 of a cup of bamboo shoots, and then you add back in your chicken balls to cook to 165 internal temperature. There we have it, coconut curry. It was pretty good. It was actually really good. The green peppers, far too spicy. I had to actually put them to the side. I didn't bother removing the seeds because I was like, these are so tiny, it's gonna take forever. Definitely should have dealt with the manual labor. My mistake. I would definitely recommend this. I hate coconut, like least favorite food, but this didn't taste like coconut, even though it used a can of coconut milk. So it was pretty good. 9 out of 10.